How to use Veed templates for Reels and social media. First of all, open your browser and go to veed.io and sign into your account. From the dashboard, click on the templates option in the left sidebar. Veed provides a wide variety of ready-made templates designed specifically for social media content, including Reels, Stories, and promotional videos. Browse through the template library and select one that matches your style or project. Click on the template to open it in the editor. Once inside, you can customize text, colors, fonts, and images to fit your brand or content theme. You can also replace the media, such as video clips or images, and add your own audio or music to make the template unique. Veed templates allows you to add animations, transitions, and effects easily, so even beginners can create high-quality social media videos in minutes. Once you have customized your template, preview your video, make any final adjustments, and export it in the correct format for Instagram, TikTok, or other platforms. Now you know how to use Veed templates for Reels and social media. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.